Hi, Lanaya. Thanks for your question. So I noticed that the question is missing. So I'm going to guess what I think they might be asking and walk you through how I get to my answer so that you can answer this on your own. So the first thing I do when I read a math problem is I always read the problem first and I think about what I know and what they're asking. So I'm going to read it. Nora is making a smoothie and mixes 416 ounces of yogurt with 438 ounces of fruit juice. My guess is that the question that comes after this says, how many ounces is the smoothie in all? So then I'm going to circle the things that I know. I know that there's 416 ounces of the first ingredient, and there's 438 ounces of the second ingredient. And we're wondering, how much is it all together? So we have 416, and we have 438. So now we know what the question gives us. The next step is to think of a math operation that can help us solve this question. If we want to say, how many ounces are in all? OZ means ounces, but I'm going to type it out because you might not know. How many ounces are in all? So if you can think of a math operation that says are in all, when we see words like in all, that tells us it's addition because we're combining things. We're joining things. That's how your teacher might talk about it. So we're going to say we want to add 416 and 438. Now, you might be learning 3-digit addition. So you might know that you have to add like things. So you have to add the ones together. This is the ones place here. You have to add the tens together. This is the tens place here. And you have to add the hundreds together. This is the hundreds. It's actually both 400. So we're going to start. We can actually do it in any order. We can start with the ones. 8 plus 6. You can count on your fingers if you need to remember. 8 plus 6. That's 14. Okay, now I'm going to add the tens together. This says 3, but I know because it's in the tens place, it's really 30. So 30, 3 tens is 30, plus 1 10, which is 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. Then 4, but it's in the hundreds place, so it's really 400, plus another 400 is 800. Okay, so now it's our chance to add up all of these numbers. But oh my goodness, look, we forgot to notice we have an extra 10. Look, there's a number in the tens place. So this 10 has to go over here. And it should really be 40 plus one more 10 is 50. So we have to add the 1 here. I hope this is how your teacher's doing it because there's a lot of skills that we're practicing here. So 800 plus 50 plus 4. Now we're going to put the numbers all together. 800, the 8 goes in the hundreds place. 50, the 5 goes in the tens place. 4. So our final answer is 854 ounces. That's your answer. Now, you might need to know how many cups there are. So we're going to do this. 854 ounces. How many cups? So for this, we're going to use a conversion. You might know how to do conversions, you might not. When we convert, we want to be able to cancel the units. This is stoichiometry, which is high school chemistry. So I don't know what your question is. I don't know how old you are, but if you're looking to use stoichiometry, this is how you would do it. How many ounces are in a cup? If you don't already know, you can always look it up. How many ounces in a cup? And then Google will tell you 8 fluid ounces. So then we go here. We put 8 ounces, or in 1 cup. Then we use our calculator. We say 854 divided by 8 is 106.75. That is a huge smoothie. Cups. That's your answer. All right, I hope that's helpful.